Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom Intuos Pro M, and I'm gonna show you how to change nibs on the Wacom Intuos Pro pen. So, to change the nibs in Wacom Intuos Pro pen, firstly we need to take off the nib. So to take it out, you can use scissors, you can use any other tool, but here in the couplet with this tablet we have this tool, and to remove the nib from this device, you can see here we have this hole, and to remove it we just need to enter the nib into this hole, and in this way just take it out. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. And if you wanna change the nib, you need to find a new nib. To find a new nib, you just need to press on this and just try to rotate in this way, and here you will see new nibs. So choose the new one here and insert it in the pen. Close it, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.